Hello. Thank you for your interest in this course on the basics of solar energy. This is part of a larger specialization on solar energy design and installation offered through Coursera. My name is Neil Abrams and I am the instructor for this course and a chemistry professor at the SUNY College of Environmental Science and Forestry, or ESF, in Syracuse, New York. At ESF, I teach courses in chemistry and renewable energy, as well as teach professionals about solar photovoltaic installation, renewable energy, and connections to the environment and the climate. In this course, I will help guide you through the major sources of energy, how solar panels, also known as photovoltaic panels, convert sunlight to energy, how we calculate and understand efficiency, and the major components that make up a solar photovoltaic system. You will also learn ways to measure and calculate power and energy, determine the energy needs of a site, and the basics of sizing a photovoltaic system to meet an energy demand. We'll also go over the discovery and history of solar panels, different applications of solar energy, and look at some market trends and the future outlook for solar energy. You will learn about the stakeholders involved in the field of photovoltaics, the major financial models used in on-grid solar, and requirements for photovoltaic installers, including training and certifications. Finally, you will have the opportunity to design your own basic photovoltaic system that will meet the electrical needs for your location. There may be some unfamiliar technical and mathematical aspects in this course, but we'll provide resources to gain a bit more background if you need it. You will need to do some basic math, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and working with percentages and fractions. So you want at least a basic calculator when working on some of the learning activities. Quizzes that include calculation problems are denoted with the word math in the quiz title. This serves as a heads up that you'll want your calculator and maybe a scrap sheet of paper handy. Certain aspects of on-site energy calculations require organizing information in a table, so basic spreadsheet software would also be helpful. I look forward to helping you meet your goals, whether it be a certified solar installer or a curious solar citizen who wants to learn a bit more about solar energy.